Welcome to Offgrid Victory. So here we are in the Ozarks. We are almost finishing up or completing the winter, getting almost into spring, and it's time for planting again. And so we're here today and I want to talk to you about fig trees. Now, fig trees normally don't do well in the Ozarks for a couple of reasons, mainly because of the very wide temperature differences that the Ozarks have. To give you an idea, it could go from 0 degrees Fahrenheit to 100 degrees Fahrenheit, and within a day it could go from 20 degrees to 60 degrees. So tender fig trees tend not to do very well. I've had no success with them for years now, until I discovered this trick, which a neighbor of mine happened to tell me. Now, what he did was he actually gave me some of these fig trees here, and what he does is he does a couple things in order to make fig trees work in the Ozarks. First, he has it point all of his trees south facing. Now that exposes these fig trees all day to sunlight. And number two, what he does is he puts them up against the wall, which provides both a wind barrier as well as a heat sink off of the house, or in this particular case, a shipping container. And the third thing he does is he doesn't put gutters on, let's say this was a house, he doesn't put gutters on the house because he wants the waters to actually come down and water the entire fig line that he has on his south-facing side. And so what that does is it waters the trees, it protects the fruit trees also from the wind, as well as providing some supplemental heat in the winter. And that does very well, and he just has an amazing fig tree orchard, if you will. And so I'm hoping to try to simulate the whole thing. And lastly, what I am also doing is I put this fig line of trees near my IBC tote, near my well over here, which will supply it with plenty of water if I don't get rains here in the Ozark. Oh yeah, that's the other thing in the Ozarks, land of extremes. Sometimes you get very little water. You can go 3 months and have a drought, and all of a sudden get a rain and get a flood. So that's the situation here in the Ozarks. Spring is coming, thank y'all. Alrighty.